So in this video we are going to learn about setting up Metamask. Metamask is a wallet that will be used to manage our Ethereum accounts and assets, and also to interact with our smart contracts and decentralized applications. So let's get started. Firstly, you can download Metamask from metamask.io. It is a browser extension where our accounts will list and we will interact with different Ethereum blockchains or any other blockchains. So let's download it, install, and this will redirect to the Chrome web store. Add to Chrome, and this will take up a moment, and after it's installed it will appear in the Chrome extensions, and we can create our new account to interact with Ethereum. So here we go, and here it is. Get started, and if you have previously created your Ethereum or Metamask wallet, you can import your wallet, or you can create a new one. So let's create a new one, and here are some details. I agree, and here you are going to set up a new password for your Metamask account, and let's create one. You should also use read terms of use, and here is the secret backup phrase for your Metamask account. So in case you forgot your password, this key phrase will be used to recover your account or import your account whenever your Metamask is reinstalled. So copy it in a safe place, and next. So here we are going to confirm that we have copied our seed phrase correctly. Reject, fault, next damage. We are going to select the words in the same sequence as they are provided from the Metamask. So otherwise it's not going to accept it. So all done. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, here is our Metamask account, and by default the Metamask creates one Ethereum account. So here is your account list, and from here you can create a new account, Ethereum account, and here you can create an already created account from private key or JSON file. And here are the settings. Let's create a new account and try it. Let's name it account 2 and create. So here we go. It's just that simple. And here's our previous account, account 1, and here's our newly created account, account 2. And as you can see, there are no Ethereum in these addresses, of course. Here you can see your assets or ERC20 tokens, ERC721 NFT tokens, etc., and the activity from this account. And here are our networks listed. So currently we are connected to our Ethereum mainnet, and here is Ropsten and other testnet accounts. We can also create our local or custom network here. So in order to import your account, you can import it from here, paste your private string, and it will simply import your account and list it here. So this was the basic setup for Metamask wallet. See you in the next session.